Hello YouTube, today let's see how to reset your laptop and make your laptop like new again. To do this, you have to go to settings from the search, and once you go to settings, you have to go to system settings. From here, you have to scroll down and you have to go to recovery. From here, just click on reset PC. So you'll get two options to keep your files or remove everything. So you can choose based on your decision. So I'll go to keep my files and just click on that, and now it goes to the next step where I can use cloud download and local reinstall. I prefer going with local reinstall. Click on that, and now you can see there's additional settings where you can select to restore pre-install apps. You can set yes or no and confirm. Then you can click on next, and now your laptop is ready for reset. If you want to view the apps that will be removed, you have to click on view apps that will be removed, and you can see the list of apps that will be removed when you do this reset. And then you have to click on reset. This will restart your laptop, and then after restarting, you can see your laptop will be completely reset. Tell me in the comment section below this solution worked for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.